Alright, we're trying to choose which one do we like better.
Hyacinth or the scarlet? You like them equally. We gotta pick one. Which one you like? You like blue or red?
I can't get it to reach just for one of them.
Here, let him both. What do you want?
Kata?
Yeah, you like your parrots?
And then she drops both of them. That doesn't help us.
You need decisions.
Yeah, bird. Which bird do you like better?
Aww.
Oh, I call blue.
Oh, but she wants to see the red. Oh, it might be blue. You like your blue?
Oh, I think blue it is.
Blue?
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Blue.
You like your blue macaw?
Or how about,
Blue bird?
how about the orange and gold macaw?
Or blue and gold.
Whatever. Which one of these do you like better? Okay. That's it. That one wins.